Hello kids, how are you all today? Are you all doing good? Yes? Okay, so let's start the class. Can anybody tell me what is the weather for today? Today it is cloudy day, today it is sunny day or today it is rainy day? Today it is... Who is telling? Today it is correct. Today it is sunny day. Sun is smiling today. So today it is bright smile sunny day. Okay. And which day today? Today it is Thursday. Thursday. Today it is Thursday. And what is the date for today? Today it is 3 September 2020. 3 September 2020. Now, today it's English time. So, ma'am is going to teach you new letter today. Before that, what we will do? Before learning new letter, we will recall the letters what ma'am has already taught you. Shall we start? Shall we start the phonics song? Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they are causing me alarm. So, A is the sound of letter A. A is the sound of letter A. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. So, B is the sound of letter B. B is the sound of letter B. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. So, K is the sound of letter C. K is the sound of letter C. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. So, da is the sound of letter D. Da is the sound of letter D. Okay. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this A. So, A is the sound of letter E. A is the sound of letter E. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, then I came out. Is the sound of letter F. Is the sound of letter F. Now, today ma'am is going to teach you new letter. So, F after which letter comes? F after G. Yes. So, today ma'am will teach you how to write baby G. Then what ma'am is going to teach you? Ma'am is going to teach you what is the pictures of letter G, starting with letter G. Which picture starting with letter G? What are the words? So, we will learn all these things. First, we will sing the phonics song. Okay? So, what is the phonics song of letter G? The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. Okay. So, this is the phonics song. One more time you want to sing. Okay. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. Okay, so G is the sound of letter G. Do you know, children? So G sounds is G, right? So sometimes G sound J also. Okay, sometimes G sounds J. Okay, sometimes G sounds G, sometimes G sound J. Like when G sounds G, this is like guitar, gun, okay? And so many are there, ma'am will tell you later, okay? And sometimes G sound J, that is ginger, that is also starting with letter G. The beginning G is pronouncing like, it is sounds like G, J, okay, J. But the first letter is G. So G sounds J. Ginger, giraffe, these are the words starting with G, but the sound is J. G sounds J. Okay. Now ma'am will show you how to write baby G. We will say hi to Mama Ji. Say hi to Mama Ji. Hi to baby G. Say hi. Okay. Now ma'am will teach you how to write baby G. Let's see. Now first children we will recall the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, then we will see how to write baby G. Okay. First we will write how to, first one curve, touch the blue line, come down, curve will go up, 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 come down, 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 touch the blue line and bend little. This is baby A. Now how to write baby B? Okay, start from red line, standing line will come down, 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 touch the blue line, then go up, 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 touch the blue line and come this side. See, baby B has belly, okay, standing line has belly, that is baby B. Now, we will see baby C, okay, one curve, we will start from here. Touch the blue line, curve, then curve will touch the blue line and go up. This is baby C. Okay. Now how to write baby D? Standing line, start from red line, come down, 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 touch the blue line. Now standing line is wearing diaper. C, D. Okay. So, D, how to write D? So, standing line has diaper on its standing line. Okay, so this is baby D. Now, E, okay, we will start from little down from the blue line, standing line. Okay, go up, one curve, touch the blue line and come down, 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 touch the blue line and go little up. This is baby E. Now, if we will start from here, go up, then come down, standing line, come, stop on the line, then middle one, sleeping line will be there. See, ma'am has written on the line, you all have to write on the line. Now, we will see how to write Mamma Ji and Baby Ji. Okay, we will start from here, go up, touch the red line, curve, come down, 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 touch the blue line, go up, 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 come inside, then sleeping line will go outside and come down. This is Mamma Ji, okay? Now we will see how to write baby G. We know how to write curve, right? So we will write curve, touch the blue line, come down, 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 down. See, we will go up now. Up, 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 up. Come down, down. We will come down, 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 down. Touch the red line and bend this side. Okay, this is how to write baby G. Again we will write. First we will write curve, touch the blue line, come down, curve will go up now. Up, 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 come with this. Come down, 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 touch the red line and bend this side. This is baby G. Okay, now you know how to write baby G. You all have to practice to write baby G. Now we will see the picture starting with letter G. See children, Mamma Ji, Baby Ji. As ma'am told you, G sounds G. Sometimes G sounds J. Okay. So, now we will see the pictures. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Goat. Goat. Green. green, gun, gun, girl, girl, gooseberry, gooseberry, guitar, guitar, guava, guava, gooseberry, gooseberry, glasses, glasses, giraffe, giraffe, gorilla, gorilla. So children, you have to learn all the pictures. Okay. So hope you understand what ma'am taught you today. So for today, bye bye. Thank you in next class.